adding the Cash App to Twitter is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. In this modern age of technology, social media platforms have become an integral part of our daily life. Two popular platforms that have gained massive popularity are Cash App and Twitter. Cash App is a mobile payment service that enables users to send and receive money, while Twitter is a microblogging and social networking platform. So first of all, create a Cash App card. The first step is to create a Cash App card. The Cash App card is a customizable debit card linked to your Cash App account. It allows you to make purchases using your Cash App balance. To create a Cash App card, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap on the Cash Card tab, and after that, follow the instructions to request your personalized card. Then, link your Cash App card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. To add your Cash App to your Twitter profile, you can link your Cash App card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. This will enable you to share your card details and payment information on your Twitter bio. Then you can include Cash App details in your Twitter bio. Now that you have linked your Cash App card to Apple Pay or Google Pay, it's time to include the relevant information in your Twitter bio. After that, open the Twitter app or website. Navigate to your profile and edit your bio. Here you can add your Cash App username, your Cash App card details, or simply mention that you accept payments through Cash App.